Okay, so it turns out there's a lot more than like 375 pieces. This is how you do sourcing. I'm gonna catch a lot of hate for this, but I took the wrong car.
Don't listen
Obviously.
to him. There's space right there.
There's a little bit of room. I gotta be able to see out the window, look. I get to drive an hour and 30 minutes home like this. Okay, so I met Terry yesterday and bought a ton of stuff from her, and today I picked up some shoes, so I decided to kind of combine the videos for you guys. I'm in our inventory room. We got a TV hanging, just a place that we keep all the inventory we're going through. I decided to combine these videos for you guys and just show you like some bulk purchasing. This is how I've changed in 2018. Going to thrift stores, going to Goodwill, going to the outlet. It's an amazing place to source merchandise. I've done it my whole life. I'll still do it. But I have to kind of speed up the process because I want to grow bigger, I want to expand, and you got to buy stuff in bigger quantities so that you can, you know, in a matter of 30 minutes or an hour, you can meet someone, buy 200, 300, 400 pieces rather than having to go all week trying to source 400 or 500 pieces. Then you could just sit and list because it already takes us enough time to sit and list, so we got to try to maximize that time. And to maximize the time that I have to list, I have to remove the time I'm spending sourcing. So this bulk purchasing, the neckties I bought a couple weeks ago and last week and having shipped in, these bulk purchases, I still get to go thrifting, but this takes care of the bulk of my buying. And so that's kind of the 2018 strategy, and it's sort of what you should start looking for. Network through people, talk to resellers getting out of the game, talk to people who went out of business, talk to people that have too much inventory they can't handle, talk to stores that are liquidating. All different ways to find bulk purchases. You know, ask around on social media if people want to sell inventory cheap. All these things will help you find quicker sources of merchandise. Now, everyone's gonna comment and message me and say, where do I buy bulk? Should I buy from websites? You know, you have to do your research on this. I can't tell you what to buy or where to buy it or how to buy it. I can just tell you that this is how you should be doing it. All right, so let's take a look at some of these shoes. We got some Fila day hikers, pretty cool shoes. You know, probably something in this box we can get $30 or $40 for. We've got some men's, these men's K-Guard work boots, pretty cool. We've got some Reebok women's shoes here. These will probably sell for good 30, 40 bucks. These are almost like new, I mean, and then we've got some Kirkland chestnut boots. We've got some more Reeboks in here. We've got some Speedo hybrid watercross 360-degree drainage shoes. Let's take a look at these. And most of these are going to be costed around $5 to $10. Just depends. These are pretty cool. These are probably $30, $40 easy, maybe $50. I don't know. I have to take a look at them. Some Kenzie boots. We've got all kinds of stuff. So this is some of the shoes I'm going to show you guys here. Day hikers from Fila. There's those Kirklands and the Reeboks up top. These CrossFit type training shoes. Very cool, very nice. Shoes are where it's at right now, really hot. Shoes are doing awesome. If you can get some shoes, get them. So this is all the stuff that I bought from TERRI here, this other bags and bags, couple hundred pieces. It's got everything from Lululemon to Hurley, this Brit and Biddle Western cowgirl shirt with a horse, very awesome. Hurley surfer shirt. There's a Lululemon jacket, some Disney sweaters, there's some maternity, some swimsuits. There's just a mix of everything. And I basically paid $1 for everything, $1 a piece. So should be a really good mix. Let me show you some of the other cool stuff I got out of this. Okay, so everything, like I said, from Lululemon, nice little hoodie, zip-up jacket. Got Harley shirts, this little Harley tank top. These are like $15 pieces. These Harleys so good. Tommy Hilfiger plaid, sleeveless. Nice Talbots. You guys know I sell Talbots a lot. Talbot's jacket, that'll do really well. And then the cool thing, this entire pile right here is all really unique, great abstract, graphic J. Garcia ties. Every one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them right here. So 9, even at a net of like $8 is $72. So the total lot of TERRI's stuff was $375. I'll probably give her some more money because she had some really quality stuff. And then the shoes, basically, I don't even know what the net is going to be on those, but hundreds, maybe, you know, after I get the rest of the pairs. There's more pairs to get, maybe 1,000. So a couple $1,000s worth of merchandise that was bought yesterday for not a whole lot of money. So bulk purchasing, you know, if you can spend $300, $400, $500 and get 3,000, 4,000 bucks worth of stuff, yes, it's a lot of work. Yes, we're going to be listing, but it'll instantly cause your sales to start creeping up. Eventually, you'll start seeing those $300, $400, $500 days. So make sure you're buying like that. All right, so the last little item that I got, Three Stooges tie, check it out. definitely a good day of purchasing. It is already Wednesday, so we're gonna have to spend all day Thursday and Friday just listing as much stuff as we can. Try to get up 100 listings, 150 listings between now and the weekend. Try to get as much stuff for sale so we can have a big weekend. I'd love to crank out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. 1,500 bucks in sales would be awesome. So hopefully we can hit those numbers. I'm gonna get back to it. Thank you guys for watching. Bulk purchasing, wholesale purchasing, trying to buy as much as you can at once will really, really help you. I'm not saying you have to do it every day. You don't have to do it every week. You don't even have to do it every month. But if you can spend 1 or 2 days and buy up, a month or two's worth of inventory, good to go. So thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you, Terry, so much. Terry's amazing. Terry met me out, halfway, so that was awesome as well. So thank you to her. You guys make sure you check out all of her stuff. I'll link it down below, her social media. Also, any of you ladies looking for lip sync stuff, I'll hook it up down below. And with that, I'll leave you to it. Make sure you check out later tonight. I believe it's over on Rakin's channel, Rakin Profit, which I'll put the link to this as well. I'll be on live with them in another thrift battle. And it is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll put all that stuff down in the description box. Make sure you check out the description box. You guys know how it goes. And I'll see you next time.